Hello everyone, welcome to the SAM, that is Study Art Motivation and Education, and in this video we are going to discuss about the classification of nerve fibers. The classification of nerve fibers is again a very important topic. Started with this. So first classification of nerve fibers are firstly on the basis of the structure. It is of two types, myelinated and non-myelinated. Myelinated वो होंगे जिनमें myelin sheath होगी, non-myelinated वो होंगे जिसमें myelin sheath नहीं होगी. Depending on the distribution, it is of two types, somatic and the autonomic. Okay, autonomic is also known as visceral. So the somatic one supplies the skeletal muscle, and the autonomic, or you can say visceral, supplies the internal organs of the body. Okay, internal organs को कौन supply करेगा? Autonomic. और somatic किसको? Skeletal को. S for somatic, S for skeletal muscles. Coming to on the basis of the function, it is of two types, motor or sensory. Motor is also known as efferent, sensory is also known as efferent. Okay, इसको याद अच्छे से रख लेना क्योंकि मैं तो आज तक भूलते आई हूँ इन्हें. ओके, कमिंग टू दी डिपेंडिंग अपॉन दी केमिकल न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर, इट इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स, adrenergic and the cholinergic. Adrenergic secrete non-adrenaline and cholinergic secrete acetylcholine. Okay, and now depending on the diameter, on the basis of the diameter, it is of 5 types. Okay, A alpha, or you can say type 1. Type 2 is A beta. A alpha, A beta, then you have A delta, and then you have B fibers, and then you have the C fibers. So type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, type 5. ठीक है? So A fiber, A alpha, A beta, A delta, A alpha, beta, delta, B fibers and the C fibers. A1 is the A alpha fibers, or the type 1 is very large in diameter. Okay, so हमने 5 बेसिस पर हमने नर्व फाइबर्स को डिवाइड कर लिया है. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर, माइलिनेटेड, नॉन माइलिनेटेड. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, सोमैटिक एंड ऑटोनॉमिक. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ फंक्शन, it is motor and sensory. On the basis of chemical neurotransmitter, adrenergic, cholinergic. And on the basis of their diameter, in which the largest diameter is of type 1, A alpha. Okay, now here the important point you have to remember is that except C type fiber, all the nerve fibers are myelinated. Except C fiber, all the nerve fibers are myelinated. ठीक है, इसमें बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन भी आया है. And the pain impulses are believed to be conducted into CNS by two types of nerve fibers, and A delta fibers are fast or first pain. So जो सबसे पहले जो पेन होता है, it is due to the A delta fibers, while C fibers conduct the slow and the second pain. So first pain is due to A delta fibers, second pain is due to C fibers, and the action of LA is mainly due to C fibers. So very important high yielding points which you have to remember here. Okay, so yeah, this is all about it. Thank you so much for watching this video on classification of nerve fibers. I hope this video helps you in your academics, and if it doesn't, then I would be really grateful. Thank you so much. And this traumatic injury of nerves we'll discuss in the next video. So yeah, till then, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let me know in the comment section what topics you want me to cover, so I'll do that. See you next time.